Sir, your loud truck can drown out my voice, but it can't drown out the conscience that God's given you. He wrote his law in your heart. Thou shalt not kill. It's in your heart. And no matter how much noise you make, you won't drown out what he's written in your heart. You'll hear it in your sleep, sir.
There's baby right here, right now.
That was loud.
I'm a mechanic. I was like, crawl underneath and just yank them out because it's actually illegal to modify any vehicle in the state of Idaho.
Really?
Yeah, that's an airport. I should actually go approach him to say that.
Good, I will. Sir, your conscience is there no matter how much noise your truck can make to drown out our voice. You're going to hear God's word in your heart. Thou shalt not kill. You're guilty before God for taking part of this baby murder. You are guilty and God's written his law in your heart. We plead with you. Turn back from this wicked place. Turn back from this wicked place